Hi, welcome to another video. In this demo, I show you how to connect REST API available data to your Azure Databricks Notebook. In Microsoft's documentation page, entitled PySpark Basics, there is information about creating a data frame from a JSON response returned by calling a REST API. It uses a Python requests package. You must import that package into your Databricks Notebook to use it. The example provided in that documentation page uses data that does not have particular relevance to many residents in Europe or indeed to many people outside the USA. So let's use some data relevant to political science, and in particular helpful to my task of understanding how and why political regimes come into being and take over a country. In my Azure SQL Server database, as mentioned in my previous Databricks videos, I already have a table that lists many countries and their political regimes together with some relevant statistics. But with this demo, let's delve a little deeper into what other information is available online and also relevant in assisting us with my aim. So, I found Bar World in Data, which offers a chart data API that allows you to access data in CSV and JSON formats. This API is designed to support automated workflows and custom applications, which sounds perfect to me. The URL is available in this video's description. Let's connect to it and see what we have, shall we? In the meantime, let's have a look at an animated chart displayed on the Our World in Data site entitled Political Regime that displays the change in regime type across the planet over time. The Our World in Data website describes its mission as follows: poverty, disease, hunger, climate change, war, existential risks, and inequality. The world faces many great and terrifying problems. It is these large problems that our work at Our World in Data focuses on. We want to improve the problem of data being inaccessible to make research and data on the world's biggest challenges easier for everyone to understand and use, to make progress against those challenges. Sounds pretty perfect to me and a cause almost everyone should be working on also. By searching their site for charts, I found some REST APIs. Let's review the code next. The metadata URLs provide information about the data set being queried. Next, I import the headers, then I assign the REST API URL to a variable. Next, using the requests function, I test the response is 200 and then proceed to write the response to the temp directory on the local file system of the driver node in the current Databricks cluster. I then create a data frame of the data using the Spark read-load functions and finally display it. Interestingly, the life expectancy in Afghanistan in 1950 was 27 years. Anyone in their 30s was considered old. What other interesting facts are there in this dataset? Let's explore that in my next video, shall we? That's it for this video. The code for this demo is in the supplied GitHub repo. Thanks for watching. And remember, I love you all.